Hello friends. Yesterday we could not complete the last part of the lesson, Mrs. Brill. Let's we start the last part of the lesson. Then lastly, in the garden, a boy and girl came and watched the appearance of Miss Brill, and the boy and girl wanders like a hero and heroine of the lesson, and Miss Brill, was watching also to them, and she was very lonely and alone because she wanted to speak with each and every person of the garden or park. Then lastly, Mrs. Brill feels lonely and she wanted to leave the place, park, and in doing all these things, she came towards his home without taking the cake as she had usually taken with her. In this lesson, we see the loneliness of Mrs. Brill. Now we start the new lesson, means the new topic, new unit number 2, personalities. We have completed the first unit containing the 4 chapter, and today we start the unit 2nd, and from unit 2nd there are 3 personalities. We also learned the personalities in same first. That's why you are familiar with that personality, and from that personalities you learn and take the good qualities from that personalities and preserve that qualities for the betterment of your future. Here the personalities are Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is the adopted great-grandson of Tata Group founder Jamsetji Tata. His father Nawal Tata had been adopted from the family of a distant relative by Jamsetji's childless younger son, also named Ratan Tata, and his wife Naujabai. Tata's parents, Nawal and his first wife Suni, separated in the mid-1940s when Ratan was 7 and his younger brother Jimmy was 5 years old. When Ratan Tata was 7 years old and his younger brother was in 5 years old, then his mother and father was separated. Both he and his brother were raised by their grandmother, Lady Naujabai, and both the brothers raised in the house of their grandmother, Lady Naujabai. Many years later, Nawal Tata took a second wife, Simon, and fathered another son, Noel Tata. Ratan Tata began his schooling in Bombay at the Champion School and the Bishop Cotton School at Simla, and finished his secondary education at the Cathedral and John Cannon School. Ratan Tata began his schooling in Bombay, Mumbai, at Champion School and Bishop Cotton School in Simla. He had finished his secondary education at the Cathedral and John Cannon School. When invited to speak at his alma mater, he said, alma mater means earlier school. One thing I have never recovered from is a fear of public speaking. The only people speaking publicly in school were those reading out the sermon at assembly and those participating in debates. I wasn't among either, nor was I into too many extracurricular activities. In that I missed the full culture of Cathedral, and it's my loss. And he missed the full Cathedral tradition of Cathedral, and it was his loss, he confessed at the first part of the lesson. Cathedral for me was a mixed bag, means Cathedral for him is a very learned bag, and he always missed. I particularly remember a mathematics teacher who I felt was determined that I never complete school. He almost succeeded. And in Ratan Tata, he takes education in Bombay and Simla and further education management from Harvard Business School in 1975 and is a member of Alpha Sigma Phi fraternity, and then he joined Telco and then Tisco, and in that company he has done very hard work in Telco company and Tata Industries Limited. Tata brothers run the Tata Industries in a very large manner and in a very confidential manner, and all the Tata brothers worked hard for the betterment of the company and for the upliftment of the company or for the name and fame in abroad. And they wanted to increase the company in abroad. Ratan Tata is also the member of Tata Industries Limited in 1981 when J.R.D. Tata was old and J.R.D. Tata wanted to handle the company's membership or company's executives to Ratan Tata. At that time, Ratan Tata's mother was suffered from cancer, and that's why they went with him for the treatment of his mother to New York. That's why they cannot fully indulge at that time. In 1991, at the chairmanship of Ratan Tata produced or handled the company in a very new way and in a very productive way. They started to supply the new product and to manufacture the new product in his company, and from that he he had not see the back again. But in 1991, from his chairmanship start, he also handled the employers in a very friendly manner. In 1912, before that, he manufactured a new nano car in 2012. It was the dream of Ratan Tata, and that he completed his dream in 2012. And then he also contact with the international company, and he was the industrialist who has award the most prestigious award, Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008. Both the awards is a prestigious award in India, and in that period his company grows highest peak, and Ratan Tata also increases the revenue of the company. In the hands of Ratan Tata, there are many projects launched in that company, and he also contacted with the international companies also for the manufacturing or the other problems. In this way, from that personality of Ratan Tata, we learn the perseverance, determination, and the hard work. Hard work is the success of any field. Hard work is the key to success. Those who work hard in any field, then he or she will be succeeded in future. From the personality of Ratan Tata, we learn the hard work of Ratan Tata and the artistic skill of Ratan Tata, how to handle the employees or the people. Now I conclude here the whole lesson Ratan Tata, the personalities of the Ratan Tata, and I will send the MCQs on Ratan Tatas and other information about the lesson in the next session. Okay, thank you friends.